What's going on, everyone? We have a lot to talk about today about the price action inside of Baby Doge. So, definitely stick around to the end of the video. We're going to talk about all of this from the technical analysis to Bitcoin as well. So, definitely stick around to the end of the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But let's go straight over this. So, the first thing I kind of want to talk about here with Baby Doge is the price action. So as you can see, the bulls are in control. The 24-hour market control by 80%. We are 80% bullish, as they say, and that's just because of this little rally that we had here previously today. So we really want to talk about this rally. So the reason why I say don't be fooled, because you can see what just now happened here. You can look at the oscillator and see that we just had a lot of buying, and now the selling is starting to come creeping up. But what we are also seeing, we did get rejected here at this resistance. We're really right before the 1250 resistance. So we got rejected more so around 1238. So yeah, Baby Doge got rejected there, but that's probably not going to be the last time we have a nice little rally like that, because look, we had another rally when we came all the way back down here to the 27th of August when we hit this area here for our support, and we really hit 1166, and then we rallied right back up to about 1223, and then we come right back down to about 1150, and then we rally back up, and then we get all the way back up to 1223 yet again, somewhere around there. So we hit that area twice, and then we go back down, but we don't go back down as low as before, and then we go right back up to like 1240. So it kind of looks like the highs are trying to get higher and higher here with Baby Doge. So yeah, it looks like it's trying to do that, and if we can actually break past this 1250 resistance, then you could see a nice breakout here. But I also want to mention this: when the Baby Doge mainnet swap comes out, it's going to be really big, and it's definitely going to make things pump. And we're getting a lot of hype for this. So we have another project that partnered with Baby Doge. So this is IMOV. So they said big announcement. We are excited to announce our partnership with Baby Doge. And yeah, this is going to be pretty good because it's now already a third sponsorship for farms for Baby Doge. So that's pretty good. And there's going to be more cryptos signing up to add staking and farming to their token. And those 0% swap fees are looking nice. That's why they're all signing up. And yeah, the staking and farming is definitely going to help out a lot of these projects. So when the Baby Doge farm and staking actually rolls out on the mainnet, this is going to be pretty big. Now, it definitely looks like we're probably about to set another low here. So that's what I'm expecting now. I'm expecting Baby Doge to set another low. And if this happens like right now, then the next low is definitely going to be right. It's going to be below 1150. Let's just be honest. It's probably going to go below 1150. So if we do get another low here with Baby Doge, I'm really expecting it to be like around the 10 area, the 1-0 area, closer to adding on another zero. And I know a lot of people don't want to see Baby Doge add on another zero, but let's be completely honest. We're probably going to add on another zero if we don't get the swap out soon, because the test net was the only thing that saved us and made us become bullish. So actually, if you go over here and look at these charts, when we had the test net roll out, like that's when we really started to see that bull rally coming in for Baby Doge. And then we start to go right back down because our utility that we rolled out was only the test net. So it was only meant to be a short-term pump. Now, when we get the mainnet out, that's going to be momentum for Baby Doge. There's going to be more than a short-term pump. That's going to be momentum, and it's going to be huge. It's going to help us blow up inside of Baby Doge. So we really need to get more capital flowing in through Baby Doge, and that's going to happen through the Baby Doge swap. Now, even though we've been going down, look, Baby Doge is still up 2.5% in the last year. So for all the people out there saying, Baby Doge is dropping, haha, Baby Doge is a scam. Yeah, we knew it was going to crash. Look, Baby Doge is up more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still down 59.9%. I'm still going to throw that out there every single time people talk about that type of stuff. Baby Doge is up more than almost every single crypto when you look at it within the last year for cryptos that actually been out for a year. So yeah, Baby Doge is doing very, very well. Now, let's keep talking about this because I'm not going to stop talking about Baby Doge. Now, as you can see here with the Baby Doge charts, this is only the 15M chart. So it's really only short term. That's all we can really see here. So let's go and scroll all the way out to the 4-hour chart. Now, when you look at it from the 4-hour perspective, 60% bearish is showing, which is the long term. And then you can see we're like right below our resistance here. But it's definitely looking like we're probably going to have another big red candlestick. You're seeing right here, it's already starting to form here. So we're going to see something bad happen if we cannot get above that 12.50 resistance, which everyone pretty much knows this. So that's why I'm just gonna kind of roll over this. We already know our support is all the way down here. I mentioned this before. We got good support at about 9Z9, and then around the lower area around 9Z7. That's where our bottom support was for Baby Doge, and 9Z9 is where we're just gonna land and then start to bounce back up from. So let's talk about Bitcoin though, because Bitcoin just now had a huge sell off here. So now you see Bitcoin dropping out of this red area, supply and demand of less demand. It's dropping out of the red area here now. So now that Bitcoin is doing that, what is going to happen next? So now you can see over here the oscillator showing more selling is coming through. Hasn't even peaked up yet. And you can see over here the market control is in control by the bearish by 80%. So we're still bearish. And look, I always mention this now inside of my videos. So the dark pools, the institutional investors, is showing that there was high activity expected here. So the high activity could either be buying or that high activity could be selling. Inside of this case, that high activity was selling. So now that you see all that selling happening inside of Bitcoin, where is Bitcoin going to end up going next? That's what we're going to try to find out. And these are institutional investors. Whenever you see huge red candlesticks like that, they're institutional investors selling off. And I've been mentioning this. Watch my live stream, actually, my previous live stream. Yeah, I actually mentioned all of this. Now, looking at the 4-hour chart for this, we are coming off of the oversold area. So once it finally peaks and gets back to, closer to the buying area, that's probably when we're actually going to have another breakout for Bitcoin. But not until it actually hits that. So we just got to pretty much wait until it hits that upside closer to the buying waves that we have, because every single time we have overselling, we always have some buying coming in right after. So we're going to have buying coming in, but how far is this going to bring us down before we actually break out with that buying? So what it looks like here, we're probably going to end up hitting 19, 18K, maybe even 17K. I've seen a lot of different analysts talking about 17K. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But to be completely honest, none of us know. And my indicators don't even show a support line around 18, 19, or 17K. So we really have to do a manual technical analysis when we're looking at it. And when we look back here, our previous support landed us at $18,000 for Bitcoin. So I think 18K Bitcoin, it's safe to say that's probably where we're going to end up having our support at the 18K Bitcoin. So wait for 18K. We're probably going to end up having that support over there. So I don't know how long it's going to take, but hey, eventually we're going to have to hit that 18K area for Bitcoin. So that's pretty much all I got for the technicals now. But anyways, moving on from there, we did just now hit a huge milestone inside Baby Doge. So I want to give a big shout out to the whole Baby Doge army. Now we now have 1,610,000 holders. Exactly 1,610,000 holders. And yesterday we had 1,609,652 holders. So yeah, we got some good amount of holders overnight. So about 400 something holders. And now Baby Doge is going to continue to grow, and we're going to continue to bring in that money. So anyways, over here you can see Moonscan is showing that we have about 13.07K inside of burned Baby Doge, which comes out to about 9.73 trillion in Baby Doge. So we're still doing a pretty good average volume. So yeah, we're still doing pretty good. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go ahead and bring this to your attention. But yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.